busy parents, teenagers, anyone that likes a good healthy meal that's super quick, you can put this together in about 1.5 minutes. Let me show you. Half a box of bone broth, or a full box. I'll go full box. 1 box of bone broth. Put half the can of cream of chicken in. 1 bag of chicken, or as much as your family needs. 1 can of corn. Half a bag of lima beans, or really any veggies you would like. The other half of your can. Spoon out the rest. That's inevitably stuck in the can. A little garlic salt. Liberal amount of garlic salt. Liberal amount of parsley. Or any seasonings you would like. As much spinach, fresh or frozen, as you can fit in. And just throw your lid on. I go for 40 minutes or 45. If it's frozen, I would go 45. And that's it. Super healthy meal that kids go bananas for. It's super good. It's one of our favorite things to make, and it takes about 1 to 2 minutes to put all the ingredients in. You can start it in the crock pot or put it in the pressure pot, just like we're doing, or the Instant Pot, just like I'm doing here. Plenty for food the next day as well. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this.